Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Country returns to long-run equilibrium on its own after a recessionary gap, so watch this quick clue. The labor market has to adjust. Self-adjustment means no government policy and no central bank rescue. So the economy fixes a recessionary gap through market forces that gradually push output back toward full employment, real GDP. In a recession, unemployment is high, so workers have less bargaining power and firms can cut labor costs more easily. That pressure makes nominal wages fall instead of staying stuck. As nominal wages drop, short-run aggregate supply shifts right, output rises back to full employment, and that is exactly the condition described by option C. Well done! Option C, scan now. Trap, rushing past signs. Rule, trust what is given and check the steps before locking your answer.